Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use rose mix for plants. Rose mix is a specially formulated fertilizer designed to give your roses everything they need to thrive. It delivers a balanced blend of vital nutrients, promoting robust growth and an abundance of beautiful flowers. This specialized mix also enhances your soil structure, ensuring proper drainage while retaining crucial moisture. Plus, it helps your roses build stronger defenses against common diseases and pests, leading to healthier, more resilient plants. Before planting, proper soil preparation is key for healthy roses. First, select a sunny spot that gets a minimum of 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, check your soil's drainage. Roses dislike soggy roots. You can improve drainage and nutrient content by mixing in plenty of organic matter, such as well-rotted compost, to a depth of about 12 to 18 inches. Aim for a soil pH between 6.0 and 7.0 for optimal nutrient uptake. Applying rose mix correctly ensures your plants get the most benefit. For newly planted roses, gently mix a slow-release granular rose fertilizer into the potting soil. For established roses, begin fertilizing in early spring once you see about 6 inches of new growth. Scatter the granular mix evenly around the plant's drip line, being careful to keep it away from the main stems. Remember, container roses need more frequent feeding, usually every 4 to 6 weeks during their active growing season. Consistent watering and ongoing care are vital for thriving roses. Newly planted roses need deep watering every 2 to 3 days until their roots are well established. For mature roses, a thorough watering once a week is usually sufficient, especially during dry spells. Always water directly at the base of the plant to keep foliage dry, which helps prevent fungal issues. Finally, apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch around your roses to retain soil moisture and suppress weeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.